Welcome to the spoken tutorial on pulse width modulation. In this tutorial, we will learn about PWM, that is pulse width modulation, PWM duty cycle, PWM frequency,
L293D motor driver IC.
To follow this tutorial, you should have basic knowledge of electronics and C or C++ programming language. To record this tutorial, I am using Arduino Uno board, Ubuntu Linux 16.04 OS, Arduino IDE. We will also require some external components such as breadboard, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, LED, 220 ohm resistor, jumper wires, push button, DC motor, and
L293D motor driver IC.
PWM signal is a square wave signal which has a high frequency, that is 1 kHz. PWM is a technique by which the width of the pulse is varied. It is done while keeping the frequency of wave constant. PWM signal consists of two main properties that define its behavior. They are duty cycle and frequency. It is the percentage of time a digital signal is on over a period of time. Duty cycle can be varied from 0% to 100%. The formula to calculate the percentage of duty cycle is shown here. T on is equal to the duration of time when signal is high. T off is equal to the duration of time when signal is low. Time period is T on plus T off. That is, it is equal to the sum of on time and off time of PWM signal. Frequency determines how fast the PWM completes a cycle. That is, how fast it switches from high to low states. We will perform one simple experiment by varying duty cycle. This will control the brightness of LED. Arduino Uno has 6 PWM channels. Pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 on Arduino Uno are PWM channels. PWM channels are denoted by tilde sign. Let us see the circuit connection now. Connect anode leg of the LED to pin 9 of Arduino through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect cathode leg of the LED to ground. This is the live setup of the connection. Do the connection as shown in the image. Let us open the Arduino IDE. We will write a program to change the brightness of LED using PWM pin. Type the code as shown. We have assigned the PWM pin 9 to the variable LED_pin. We have initialized duty_cycle_value as 1 for an LED to turn on. Inside void setup, we will write pin mode function. We have declared pin 9 of the Arduino as output. Inside void loop function, we will write this code. Let me explain the code. While loop executes the code till the duty_cycle_value is below 255. Analog write function is used to generate PWM signal. We are passing two parameters, that is PWM pin number and the duty cycle value. The duty cycle value must be between 0 to 255, that is between 0 volts and 5 volts. We will keep a delay of 3000 milliseconds, that is 3 seconds. Click on the compile button to verify your program. A pop-up window will appear to save the current program. Let us save the program as LED_brightness and click on the Save button. Now click on Upload button to upload the current program on Arduino board. We can see the brightness of LED increasing gradually. Next, we will do an experiment to control the speed and direction of a DC motor. This is the pinout diagram of L293D motor driver IC. The speed of the motor is controlled by EN1 and EN2 of the IC. The direction of the motor is controlled by IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4 of the IC. We can control two motors at a time using this IC. In our experiment, we will connect only one DC motor. Let us see the circuit connection now. Pin 1, Pin 8 and Pin 16 of driver IC are connected to 5 volts. Pin 4 and Pin 5 of driver IC are connected to ground. Pin 2 and Pin 7 of driver IC are connected to Pin 11 and Pin 10 of Arduino. Two push buttons are connected to Pin 12 and Pin 13 of Arduino. These push buttons are used to control the direction of DC motor. 10 kilo ohm potentiometer is connected to control the speed of the DC motor. Middle pin of potentiometer is connected to analog pin A0. Pin 3 and Pin 6 of driver IC are connected to DC motor. Do the connection as shown in the image. This is the live setup of the connection as shown in the image. I have fixed a wheel on the shaft of the motor. This will help to see the rotation and varying speed of the motor clearly. Now we will write a program for this circuit to work. Let's switch to Arduino IDE. Type the code as shown here. We have initialized the connection between Arduino and driver IC. Potentiometer pin is connected to analog pin A0. Forward button pin is the variable for push button connected to pin 13 of Arduino. Back button pin is the variable for push button connected to pin 12 of Arduino. IC pin 2 and IC pin 7 are the variables which indicate pin 2 and pin 7 of the IC. They are connected to pin 11 and pin 10 of Arduino respectively. First we make sure that the potentiometer, motor and push buttons are in low state. For that, we have initialized it to 0. In the void setup function, we will write this code. Pin mode function defines the pins as input or output. Forward button pin and back button pin are set to input_pull-up mode. In this mode, we are using Arduino's internal pull-up resistors. To know more about the input_pull-up mode, refer to the manual. Click on the Help menu in the Arduino IDE, then click on Reference. This opens an offline page in your browser. Scroll down, click on input_pull-up. Switch back to Arduino IDE. IC pin 2 and IC pin 7 are set to output mode to drive the motor. Next, we will write the code in void loop function. Analog read command will read the analog values from the potentiometer. This value will be given to the analog pin A0. Depending upon the potentiometer value, the speed of the motor will vary. Map command will convert the analog value to digital. Forward button state and back button state will fetch the signal if push button is pressed. The if command checks if the push button connected to pin 12 or pin 13 is pressed. This enables the motor to rotate in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Suppose we don't press any of these two buttons. then the else command ensures that the motor is in off condition.
This code is available in the code files link of this tutorial. You can download and use it.
Click on the compile button to verify the program. Let us save the program as pwm_motor and click on the save button. Now click on upload button to upload the current program on Arduino. Now we will see the output of the above program. I will press the push button connected to pin 13. We can see the motor rotating in the clockwise direction. Now I will release the push button. The motor will stop rotating and it will be in off state. Now again I will press the push button connected to pin 12. We can see the motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. We can change the speed of motor by adjusting the potentiometer connected to A0. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about pulse width modulation, PWM duty cycle, PWM frequency, and how to control speed and direction of a DC motor. As an assignment, connect a buzzer instead of LED in the above circuit connection. Upload the same program and check the output. You would hear a noise with different frequencies. Here is the output of the assignment. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This tutorial has been contributed by FOSSEE and Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. And this is Saurabh signing off. Thanks for joining.